Rare Beauty just launched new blushes, so you know we had to try them. So I only have one shade. I got the shade Love. We're gonna open her up. It said that it is supposed to be an airy, silky powder blush that brings instant life to your cheeks with a fresh, radiant flush that lasts. If you've been following me for a while, I'm an oily girl, so this might not have probably been like a first choice, but the powders look absolutely beautiful. It's supposed to be like a highlight and a blush mixed together, and you already know she kills in the highlight game. But this is the component. And then this is the shade. Like, how gorgeous. I don't have any blush in my complexion, so I'm going to take a little bit onto here. And we are going to just apply this onto the cheeks. And look at that coverage. I think the color is beautiful and I understand the finish. I will say, being oily, this would not be my first pick just because of the finish. But I would love this on top of like a matte blush just to give it some dimension. But by itself, for me, it's going to be a no-go. But again, beautiful formula, just probably not for my personal routine. But these are definitely going to be a staple for most of you girlies out there. These colors are beautiful, and that's what drew my eye to them when I saw them online. Like, the color is beautiful. You already know that the pigmentation in Rare Beauty is amazing. I would love to try more of these out, but I would definitely be layering them with something underneath. But what do you think? You picked these up. What colors did you get? Let me know down below.